Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. This is a little video of a little Volkswagen Polo. We've just fitted a KENWOOD DMX8021DABS into. As you can see, it fits really nicely. We've used the ACV fascia trim and steering wheel control interface, so all these work perfectly okay. This has got wired and wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's also got digital radio and FM. We've got the USB down in the port down here, so you can use it via the wire. We've also got your DAB aerial. I'll put my finger to it there. That's the DAB aerial in the glass. There we are. It's also got a camera input, front dash cam and reverse cam, which also mutes. You can have that as an option, so when it goes into reverse it mutes. If you'd like to have this done in your car, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.